4. Inspection agricultural and forestry products. Export of Vietnamese agricultural and forestry products has been rapidly grown up. It is occupied a high rate in total Vietnamese turnover of export goods. As the largest and the most reputable inspection company in Vietnam, Vinacontrol has a lot of experience in inspection, export, import, agricultural and forestry products. Vinacontrol is a member of some of organizations and associations such as Vietnam Food Association (VFA), Vietnam Tea Association (VTAS), Vietnam Pepper Association (VPA), and Vietnam Cashew Association (Vinacas). It has contributed in consultation for ensuring quality of export goods, developing export agricultural goods trademark. Vinacontrol is highly appreciated by association, agricultural forestry producers and businessmen for such contributions. Inspection of rice for export. Vinacontrol carried out southern quantitative and qualitative inspections of export rice and foods at the request of the producer, processor and businesses. As a member of Vietnam Food Association, Vinacontrol has active contribution in developing Vietnamese food and rice trademark. With experience for export rice inspection in many years, Vinacontrol could give objective and professional evaluation to help the producer, processor and businesses realize the strong points and weak points of products. Therefore, they may apply suitable and effective measures for improving quality of products to contribute to food industry on the way to stably integrate into international market. Common scopes of rice inspection: packing, quantity, quality according to contract, LC, and Vietnamese export standards. Supervision during loading and discharging, tallying. Fumigation of goods and means of transportation. Inspect export cashew nuts. Vietnam holds world #1 cashew exporter position in 2007. Vinacontrol carried out thousands of quality and quantity inspection for cashew nuts, raw cashew nuts at the request of cashew nuts producer, processor and businesses. Vinacontrol inspected both exported cashew nuts and imported raw cashew from Africa, India, Indonesia. Main inspection services include quality, quantity of raw cashew nuts, packing, marking, quantity, quality of export cashew nuts, sampling in the process of production, classification, packaging, supervision during loading into container, fumigation of phosphine. Standards for inspection: AFI 4, 1999 of America, Vietnamese export standard. As a member of Vietnam Cashew Association Vinacas, Vinacontrol has actively contributed in building Vietnamese cashew trademark. With the experience of inspection of cashew nuts for export in many years, Vinacontrol could give objective and professional consultant and appreciation to help the producer, processor and businesses improving quality of products, successfully integrating into international market. Inspection of export pepper. In recent years, production and export pepper of Vietnam have developed rapidly. Vietnam holds the world #1 pepper exporter position. Pepper is a hot spice and of characteristic taste and smell. Quality of Vietnamese pepper is the best one in the world and preferred by customers. Vinacontrol has much experience in inspection of export pepper in many years. It performs quantitative and qualitative inspection of export pepper, consultant and assistant clients to improve quality, reduce impurities of export pepper to meet quality requirements stipulated in sale contracts, LC. Moreover, as a member of Vietnam Pepper Association VPA, Vinacontrol has actively contributed for developing Vietnamese pepper trademark, Vietnamese pepper sector stability, and successfully integrated into international market. Main testing indexes: moisture, density, and impurities. Inspection methods according to Vinacontrol's procedure and Vietnamese export standard. Inspection of export tea. Every year, Vietnam exports more than 100,000 tons of tea. Customers prefer Vietnamese tea as its strong taste and good odors. Vinacontrol has carried out export tea inspection in many years. The company issues its own tea inspection procedure method basing on Vietnamese export tea standards and practical experience. As a member of Vietnam Tea Association VITAS, Vinacontrol have actively contributed in developing Viet Tea trademark, export tea technical standards, clean tea producing process, export tea inspection. Vinacontrol is highly appreciated for inspection technique, responsibility and duly diligent in tea inspection by Vietnam Tea Association and tea businesses. Inspection of export wooden chips. Hills and mountains occupy 3/4 territorial area of Vietnam. With good soil, tropical climate, favorable for growing material plants for producing paper such as eucalyptus, timber. In recent years, export wooden chip has developed rapidly. Vinacontrol took part in export wood chips inspection from the first day. The company has set up a fully procedure of export wood chips inspection, from sampling dry wood sample to ascertain moisture and weight on dry basis. Survey results always reflect exactly quality and quantity of goods, which were highly appreciated and trusted by the producers' businesses such as Visa Chip, Chipexco, Hao Hung Limited Company.